It's something we've all done. We were told to turn up at our parents' house and get up the drive at 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 hours after we'd said we'd be in without waking them up. The winner would be the one who could do it the most quietly. At 3 o'clock the next morning, the man with the decibelometer was in place, and I was first to go. Despite the odd squeak from me, things were going well.
Yeah, this is a professional job. What I'm doing is reversing the car in so that it hides the back and my mother won't see what I've done. Find out the noise. 50.4 decibels, it's like custard rustling. Absolutely soundless.
Then it was Jeremy's go with the big, heavy Volvo.
Oh, for God's sake!
Yeah, that'll be him. He started now.
Come on, come on. Oh, God.
Mercifully, the drive finally levelled out.
Come on, you stupid lump of Swedish lead. Oh, my God.
You might get in trouble. Don't make too much noise, you'll wake them up, mate.
Oh, God. It's the anarchy flag.
That's what did it.
What did it?
Say it was stolen by anarchists
Came.
and they buried it in the summer house. Job done.
Jeremy decided it would be quieter to drive out of the wreckage.
Oh, no. There's no damage.
Well, I think that's maybe pushing it.
After all this.
Yeah, that's
And maybe, there's quite a lot of damage there.
an awful lot.
Hammond had possibly pipped me on this one.
What was yours?
50.4,
50.4?
66.1.
My mum and dad, they didn't wake up. It's a good job they're heroin addicts.
Then it was my turn.
I can do it on the engine because the engine's quiet.
Of course, the interesting thing is to speculate what James would have been out doing until late as a teenager. How long does choir practice go on?
I can't actually see where the drive goes.
I think he has a point. What? Is that the control?
Ready, steady, and...
For God's sake! No! You're so unfunny. God above!
James had lost this challenge quite badly.
Shall we go in and go to bed?
Hold it.
Right, wait.
Can you smell smoke on my fingers?